very distinctive shape of the Wellington. The two engines are fused together, single lever.
Would you mind telling me what this is a model of that you're driving? What type of submarine?
Type 7.
Type 7.
Type 7 submarine, yeah. The most prolific submarine in the Second World War.
But it's
everybody would know about Type 7.
As soon as we get the guys back who are allowed
It's based on U-87, which actually was a Type 7 Speed. But that went down. Jochen Berger was commander of that. That went down in Portugal in 1943. Hit by depth charges by the Canadians.
Was it a Type 7 in Das Boot? That...
Incorrect, that's correct, yes.
It was?
It was, that's right. That was U-96, I think it was. But basically the same boat.
How do you achieve that rust effect? It's quite amazing.
Very special, painstaking process. But something I specialised in. And I've just recently done a big tank in it, the same effect. It's
beautiful.
Quite interesting. So it's actually proper rust, so it's actually activated. And once it's rusting, it's now rusting continuously.
Right.
So it's actually,
Okay. Wouldn't look right if it was shiny and brand new, would it?
It gives you some effect of what the boat would look like after probably 6 to 8 months of use, of continuous use, something like that. They weren't painted. I mean, the pressure holes were thick enough to avoid that, but the rest of the conning tower and everything else was very thin. It wasn't designed as a, designed as a war machine, so it wasn't designed to stay around. So, that's what would have happened to it over that period of time. So, and most of them didn't last that long anyway. So, there's only 2, I think, left. Type 7s left in the world, something like that,
So is this a kit? Because I know what some people do is they buy Revel kits or Airfix kits, and they
they can convert them. That's quite true, and you can do quite a lot with them. And I've done that myself with the Bronco kit. You can do that. This is an OTW hull. A friend of mine does those OTW designs, so it's provides you with the outer fiberglass hull. And then basically some fittings and everything else, and the rest of it is entirely up to you then to put it together. You can provide you with the cylinder if you want, the WTC and all the rest of it. You've got to have some engineering qualities in order to provide, It's not an airfix kit, but it's more of an engineering project for you.
No, I know. I've always thought that with submarines. Yeah,
so
people don't realise how much effort and engineering is involved in getting a scaled dive.
But then what you get out of it is you get a tremendous kick out of it, because the amount of pleasure you get out of it once it does work and once it does go underwater and once you have achieved the perfect balance and running that periscope is more difficult than you could ever possibly imagine.
No,
because you're and that's one of the
I believe you, yeah.
So but that's what you get out of it. It's and also you've got that tight bum syndrome. That the fact is that if you're in it's a bit like flying an aeroplane. You can lose it at any time. But that's what makes it really exciting. That's what.
No, thanks for explaining that.
Yeah. So it's.
Well, it looks brilliant in the water. Thanks very much.
Yeah.
Sorry, can I ask your name, sir?
It's Martin.
Martin.
Yeah.
Martin, thank you very much.
No worries.
focus.